Using the library catalog is the easiest way to find out if we have print resources like books, magazines, or journals, or media like DVDs, CDs, and audiobooks available in the library. If you're looking for journal articles or ebooks, you should try the library's Discovery search instead. To search the library catalog, head to the library's website. From the library's website, click on the second tab in the search box. From this box, you can complete a basic search in the catalog. The default option is to search by words anywhere, and that's a good place to start. Today we'll search for things related to social media. The library owns over 350 titles related to social media. Each record contains an image of the cover, the author's name, the title of the book, the year it was published, and the call number. The call number will tell you if a book is located on the Auburn or Fulton campus. All Fulton titles have call numbers that start with Fulton. Auburn titles just list the call number. You'll also see the number of copies we own and a link that will tell you whether or not the book is available. The titles will automatically appear newest to oldest. You could click on the author or title to sort the results that way as well. To see more options, just click Next Page. You can scroll through the results to get an idea of the types of books that are available in the library. If you want to learn more about a specific title, you can click on the cover of the book or the title. From this screen, you can read the contents note to see what each chapter is about. You can read the abstract, which is just a summary of the book. And you can see the different subject headings that relate to the title. You may have noticed that some of the titles in our list don't seem to relate to the topic of social media. Because our original search was a words anywhere search, the results can have the words social or media in any part of the record, even if it isn't relevant to the topic of social media. For example, in this title about comic books, the words social and media are found in a chapter title about social change and digital media. To avoid getting results that are unrelated to your topic, you can always change your search strategy. Here's our original search. To get more specific results, we can change the fields that we're searching. Instead of searching by words anywhere, we could choose to search by words in the title, words in the author, or words in the subject. Because we're looking for books on the subject of social media, we'll start by searching by subject. Something else you can do to eliminate results that are not related to your search term is to put your term in quotations. This tells the search engine to search for your words as a phrase and not as individual words. Using quotation marks around these search terms will eliminate many of the results we saw from our first search that were not related to our topic. If you'd like even more options in your search, you can always use the Advanced Search option. From this screen, you can search for multiple terms at the same time. Let's say we're interested in learning about how social media is used in business. We can search for social media and business. You should notice fewer results when you add a second term. When we searched for just social media, we got over 100 results. By adding a second term, we narrow our results down to only choices that are more closely related to the topic we're interested in. In this case, social media and how it affects business. There are a few more options that we can use to make our search even more specific. After entering our search terms, we can then limit by year of publication. Because social media evolves so quickly, we're going to choose to look for sources published only within the last 2 years. To do this, just enter the years you're interested in the year fields. We're also going to limit by campus. By clicking on the More Collections drop-down box, you can choose the collection and campus you would like to search. Now we only get a few results, all of which are closely related to our topic, are recently published, and available on the campus that we selected. To review, search Caleb from the library's homepage or click the link to go right to the advanced options. A Words Anywhere search will produce the most results and can be a great place to start. An advanced search is helpful when you're looking for something specific, if you want to search for more than one term, or if you want to limit your search to look for certain years, collections, or item types. If you have any questions about using the library catalog, please contact a librarian for help. You can stop in at either campus or use the phone numbers listed.